Okay, well, we want rice also.
Okay, you want steamed rice or sticky rice?
What kind of sticky rice?
It's rice and sticky, sweet sticky. You tried before?
Is that the rice always you bought when you bought
It's a
here?
steamed one.
I don't know. I did not try it.
How much is sticky rice?
$1. It's a rice.
Okay, let me have 2 steamed rice and 1 sticky rice. Is that hot though? That Crown Tiger? Or
I
is that
see
hot?
it is.
They can make hot and not hot.
I like it spicy.
Okay, they can make.
I like it spicy.
Okay.
In the Philippines, honey, the sticky rice we always put it like a sweet rice and coconut milk.
Oh, that's another dessert. We make that too.
We made it.
You from Philippines?
Yeah,
My friend is Philippine too.
here.
Yeah, she work in the school in Claremont.
Okay.
Is she working here?
No, but we used to work in a factory in nighttime.
What's her name?
Nali?
Nali. Wish I will know her.
She come here a long time.
Is it?
Yeah,
How old is she?
40 something.
Like
Yeah.
same age with me. What's her name again?
Nali.
Natalie?
Natalie. Is she a Filipina or
She is Philippine.
pure Filipina?
Yeah. She, I speak with